Yeah, okay. Am I audible? Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome to the live. Am I audible now? Yes. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to the live. We are trying to do GRPO or RL on Gemma model to teach it Sudoku or anything else. So we have two aims to do RL on an open-end environment and also to RL on general on top of an LLM. Now we are using Unsloth notebooks. You can find those notebooks in the Unsloth docs under notebooks. Yeah. So we are first going with GRPO Gemma 4 notebook. So up till now we saw that there are multiple issues with it. We tried implementing it in Collab, but it was giving errors. So we'll try again. So actually, it did work last time in the last live, but it was not shown in the live. But you can see, if you see the training it went through. So we'll try to debug what are the issues in this and how we can solve it. If anyone has suggestions on how to improve the process or what better can be done, please do comment. Okay. Yeah. So we saw that the training is going on, but it stopped in the middle for some reason after 1 hour of after almost 2 hours of execution. So let's see. Let me just. I think we should also ask. So could you explain the RL training GRPO on Gemma training paper that was generated? Is it good result or something went wrong? Training was done on this. Where is it? Link address. Training was done. Okay, by the time it is doing it, let's just go through. So we can see that. Let's just try to understand ourselves. Steps we went till I think 37 steps, but at the end it started giving lag. I don't think so it's good. So training loss, basically training loss gradient excluded, and it started giving lag for some reason. Reward we can see we got the highest reward at the start itself, and somewhere at the 17th step mark. After which, so we got the highest reward at 17th mark actually. Then you can see no cheating. Okay. Today, so this particular training actually costed me around, if I see, around $11 or something. So if So the thing is, we'll try to do the training again, but this time we'll do it with a much better hardware so that it is way faster and we can iterate on it faster. So we'll do a $2 one hardware. You can also do it on A10. I think A10 should be enough. We'll start with A10 instead of going A100 because we are doing training on E2B. So Gemma model that is 5 billion parameter model with 2 billions activated at a time. So it is so Gemma 4, who know, is a mixture of experts model which has few parameters active at a time for efficiency during inference. So mixture of experts are created for efficiency during inference. It was, I think, pioneered by DeepSeek itself. So yeah. Let's start more. So one of the issues that we saw in this was that these were causing issues. So we had to install it manually. I think this is something that we need to do to update to the latest model. So we'll start the kernel again. We'll do training again this time. Uh, okay. Um, okay, let's start the kernel and try to execute it again. What we're going to do is we are going to change this to. We saw that last time. This our RAM was limited, was getting hit. So I'll increase the RAM almost equal or if not the GPU RAM. So GPU RAM is 24 GB, which is the RAM 32 GB. So now it is very expensive. Not very, but the current GPU systems are way more expensive like this one. So it costs around $6 per hour. So you have to iterate faster. You cannot iterate on this GPU itself. Well, you can if you have money, but otherwise no. So yeah, A10G is a good GPU, 24 GB. A10 GPU architecture. So this is Ampere based successors. So L40S is my primary. Oh, 6,000 Blackwell. We also have L40S. I think we'll go with L40S would also be good, but it has 48 GB and we're not going to use 48 GB. It's a lot of wastage. Even though this would be faster. And also I saw that during training last time, there was only 30% utilization of GPU, which is very bad. Means I would like to have more utilization if I'm paying this much. So let's keep it at A10 for now. 32 GB. Okay. Save changes, start kernel. Will not do this, will not do this, will only implement these two. Oh, I don't want. Okay, now. So you can see that there are multiple Gemma models. What we are going to do is we are going to use the instruction tuned E2B, effectively 2 billion Gemma food model. So I'm not sure how they do this, but if they are separate models that are trained. But I think they use something called Matryoshki representation, Matryoshki embedding. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. This one. Embedding. That like the Russian dolls. So this was used in gematria, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not sure if they are using it in Morocco. Used in Morocco. If we go look at operating layer, root mean square normalization, global attention, fully forward neural network, per layer embeddings, and finally, okay. Let's see if this is done. Let's see if get an error. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to load the E4B to be IT. Oh no, it gave an error for an import. What is an import error? Transforms, I did do it, right? So it did install transforms. Why is it saying that? Let me try it again. This is calling it out. So let's try again. It's already done. Why is it done? What? I'm not sure why it did not download regex last time. So it should give an error again. So we have unslot, we have transformers, we have So the reason I want to fix this part because this is very important as they keep upgrading Onslaught a lot, and there is a lot of breaking changes that happens. So I want to have the latest version which can be used. So what we are doing is we are trying to see which is the Gemma 4. So latest release has the Gemma 4 fixes. So that is version 0.136 beta. Interesting. So according to this, you only require 8 GB of VRAM to train the Gemma 4 A2B model locally. But we are going to use way more than that. We are using around 24 GB, so 4 times that. The reason being we want it fast. Let's stop the kernel because we are not using it right now. A minute. Let me see if I can get the latest Gemma model than Gemma 482 Vision. You want Gemma 4 sudoku grpurl open. So grpurl for 2048 game. So this is the problem. No, so I think last time I tried to install Gemma, I tried directly from the pip, and so it did work. But during training, it gave an error and did not complete the training and also gave NATs. So I believe one of the reasons should be from because we didn't use the latest release. Let's just read the release notes so that we understand what are the issues. Gemma protein grad accumulation no longer causes losses. Oh, see, losses to explode. This is what happened for us. Before you might see losses. Okay. So what we are going to do is I don't know why Answers is trying so hard to sell their slot studio. I really need to do training. But yeah, it's not like I have 50 or hundreds of GPU RAM on my local PC. I need to use Collab systems. without display. Mm, okay, so I have this Gemma model with a corporate game, left and right. So we have gone through these in the previous live also. Let's see what our chat sheet has to say. Its result. Okay. All this, I'm not sure whether it did not actually solve my problem. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll try again, but this time we'll make sure that we'll try for Sudoku itself. Let's not go into 004 and all that. But we'll try to, what do I say? Make sure we try to run this properly. Let's ask our ChatGPT friend itself. Um, the on modal nodes. So let's just see if install import OS, if install blah 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 blah. Okay, let's try again, but this time let's not do our thing. I don't want quiet thing. I want to see the output. What are the issues that are coming while they are trying to install all this. See, it executed so fast. I doubted and it did not show me anyhow. Hmm. Files. I will not include this, but even then I am pretty sure it will give an error. See, no module unslot. Even though we did install it here. So all of these problems are coming because I'm not using Collab as of now. The reason why I'm not using Collab because Moodle Notebooks gives $30 of free GPU usage so every month. So it allows me to experiment with many different GPUs at a larger thing. So what we'll do is we'll just switch to a smaller GPU while we try to just solve this part of the problem. And we'll come back to and we'll just change the kernel to a bigger GPU later on. If install updated UV, live, just tell me what. Okay. So let's remove capture. Why is it giving it in light? I don't like this color. uh, okay, I'll fix it later. Okay, I'll do this later on. So let's just read it. It's a I think I should pass the system for this, and then it should work. Okay, use you. We work if I change the language. So, see, a lot of time you get stuck in the most basics of problem. So I've not even reached the main reinforcement learning. I'm just the setup and all of these things. Take so much time usually. But once it's done, because ML and reinforcement learning and all of those are like simple concepts. Means they are hard because they can have logical errors. Like for this, it's easier for me to solve as the error is very clear that it's not able to find the environment and all. But for reinforcement learning or ML, problems comes because those are logical problems. So your loss will explode, your loss will be very high, you will not know why, and it will not give you direct reasons for why that is causing a problem. So let's see if ChatGPT friend is able to find anything, or else what I'll do is, so changing it to UV did not help actually. So let's just do this. So I changed the image into a collab graduate. See if it's able to start the kernel with the collab image. I find sometimes it is difficult for it to start the collab. It's not starting the collab. Let's just go back to the default. Okay, let's try this one again. Okay, the kernel has started, so we have shifted to T4 just to make sure that we are not wasting money unnecessarily. Uh, Oh, okay. So let's just try doing the import. No problem is like it did install everything, but still it gave error. So now let's remove white. I don't want it to white. I want to make noise and tell me what is that. Uh, See, this is the thing, no? A lot of time you waste so much time in setting up things. That was the dream that was sold to us using collab and all, but even in collab, see, a dependency can work, it can break. So I'm pretty sure Daniel Han tested these notebooks very well, and yet it is not working. So these are the things that you would have to solve manually, and the first thing is you should give proper context to the AI that you use. So make sure to remove dash q, etc. So now it is using transformers 5.5. Which is required by this or not? So the thing was Torch Fusion 3.26. Let's see. Torch Fusion 5. Still it did not install the latest one. Let me see if it works. No, right. So now the error is this. Uh, we can directly update it, but let the AI update it. So now I don't want it to be a healthy thing. You can decide automatically. Or something. Or I think I'll do it to I don't wanted to think too much. So yeah, so we understood few things. One, especially for the Moodle one, I think these issues also came in the collab one. I have not tested it again. I can test it if you guys want. But basically, what we are trying to do is we are trying to install the latest Unsloth and the latest versions of these packages because to make it compatible with Gemma model, as E2B is a very powerful model that you can use, and it is small enough for us to do quick iterations. So if it works, we can just shift that to a larger model, and everything should work end to end by just changing the name of the model. So the reason why we are using so much time right now is because we want to make the process and the iteration loop faster. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I guess the reason why it is using the older thing is because it might have a older pip. Finally, it installed. You find two steps. So what we did, uh, let's see if they're able to work with this. If yes, we move forward. Still, now Still giving errors. So what I'll do is I'll try to fix this not on the live because it makes no sense wasting the live time. So I'll fix this and then just directly tell you what is the issues and we'll start from there instead of wasting it. I mean, instead of doing directly on live. So yes, I did understand this because it basically changed the version and we are using both UV and PIP. So I need to sync everything and see if it works. So we'll do that and let you know. Thank you for streaming by and in the next stream I'll directly solve it and continue from the next step itself. We'll only focus on the RL part, not on installing. I'll just tell you how to do it, although it is very important if you do not. So as you saw that we actually installed everything properly and tried to and ran everything too, but still our loss exploded because of the pack because we did not use the latest package and according to the release notes of this the Gemma fixes were done in the latest package which is in beta, not even I don't think so it's in pip. So we never used it and we never got the latest package for our use case. That's why it exploded. Whatever the fixes are, I'm not going doing a deep dive on into the fixes, but yeah. So yeah, I think see you next time. Thank you.